Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Savannah and I'm holding the camera, so this is going to be a little bit shaky, but I am working on Kate in the Nest, Pouch in the Nest monthly prompt, and this month for January is Joy to the World, and I will put in the lyrics that I'm using. I'm using the Christian song or gospel song. I don't have it in front of me to read it to you, but one of the parts of the song says, like hearts unfolding with flowers underneath the sun. I think that's a little bit off, but what I'm doing is, this is my pouch that I've made, and I'll include a few photos. I don't really have much. I probably should have done a better job, but I normally slow stitch while I'm watching TV with my husband. So it's kind of hard for me to do that. So I know that this isn't going to be a great quality, but I wanted to get something recorded before I got too much further ahead. So this is what the pouch looks like. I actually made the pouch not thinking this was going to be the one that I was going to do this with. I actually had picked out other fabric, and so I was kind of doing this to use up some of my scraps and stuff before I started getting into a bunch of my vintage finds. But what happened was, over here in this corner, I had placed down this pink fabric that it was shaped just like this and with a circle. And I looked at that and I'm like, that has to be the sun. Because what I wanted to do, if you look here, you can see that there's 3 hearts, but they're unfolding as they come across the page, and they're under the sun. And so I went ahead and added the rays to make the sun. And I might do some canvas stitching on here. I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm probably going to go around and do just some, like a blanket stitch in the yellow around this. And then these are the hearts that I cut out. And if you saw my vintage linen haul, the second one I put up, there was some Laura Ashley pillowcases, and I cut these hearts from the pillowcases because it was already doubled over, and so it helped me create them the same size because it was a double layer. So what I'm doing, I've just tacked these down, and I'm working on creating the flowers that are unfolding. So these are supposed to represent the start of the forming of the flowers and the buds. And that's how far I've gotten.